É bonito isso? Ela tava... Olha!
Eu não sei onde ela tá, não.
É, foi você que fez escândalo. Que viu que é esse?
What's with all the talking this morning?
Room for one more.
Andrea! Ciao, Andrea! Doing it. He walking his dog.
That might be the laziest dog walk of all time.
The tiny supervisor has arrived, and those delivery guys are officially being evaluated.
Gonna need a bath.
Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no la veo problemática, la veo rebelde.
Oye,
Contestona.
Like the cows. Oh my god.
Ми спеціально робимо. А може ні, він боїться великої машини.
Excuse you. My goodness. You okay?
What?
Did you get stuck? Hoy va a elegir Doki su ropita del perchero. A ver, esa.
He got away with it.
Chihuahuas are intense shadow dogs. Whatever you go, man.
You walked away from him. Look at him. He's so.
Homie.
Come on, buddy.
Your body can't fit? Can you fit? You're small.
See, he got my phone. Got my phone. Got my phone.
Get out! Get out! No!
I'm trying to give you. I'm trying to give you more. You don't want more? No.
No doubt, in multi-dog households, Chihuahuas will often reign.
Which is it's a yeast which helps him to create.
No need to say it, it's obvious they're siblings.
Got these fancy new dog beds on Amazon. They're size extra large. They have a waterproof underpad and the cover is removed.
Yo, bro, what are you doing?
It feels like these fur balls are actually hatch door detectors or something.
Jeez. Not. Oh my god, stop it.
Of disguise.
Punch. Bungie is so.
Oh my god, I told you, dude, if you have an onion, they'll come sit in your lap and rub it all day. You want to get the bugs off of them. Oh my god. That's ridiculous.
Are you hungry, Ginger? The best was when you were sitting with
Really want that burger.
Det ville være fantastisk. Ja, ja, ja. Det gør det. Det gør det.
The fox looks like it's saying, "Let me check if you're hiding any food."
No, they're peekaboo addict.
Para ter como carro vermelho acabou de comprar, é a Avenida dos Universitários. E aqui, então, a
Oh. Column wheel.
Free? Come on, bring me toy.
Taking the dog to the pet store so he can pick his own toy. Pure.
This cat's not letting me Facebook. Here. No, cat. You gotta stop it. I wanna watch this stuff. Cat. No. We gotta go the other way.
Animals had other plans.
If you want me to hold it, I can.
انعكاس الماء بس ما أدري وش هذا الانعكاس وين
You think a sale price cat will act normal?
不敢出声是吧？啊，萱萱，不敢出声是不是？哦，不敢做声。
Jimmy, I'm gonna get you this time. 1, 2, 3.
Did you eat your num-nums? No. Did you eat your food? I'm gonna go check. That food better.
Personal trainer with zero chill.
Okay, you can keep fishing.
Let's get you to pull over when you can safely. I must say it's the first.
Belly rub. Good boy.
Hey friends! Today's dose of happiness comes in tiny golden form.
Oh my gosh, we're sucking. Oh my gosh, I'm recording it!
Ik ga wijn schenken, ik ben het helemaal zat. Kom maar.
Gossip walk.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Tucker, place.
If you've ever thought they're
Biscuits.
When food becomes a bonding activity, sharing is caring.
Foster. You good?
Do you want to go? Do you want to go for a walk? Woo!
Levels in one frame. 2 are on guard, 1's on vacation.
Oh, there is a wall.
That dog accidentally created the weirdest reason to miss.
We're just playing catch. What are we doing? Oh, sorry.
Cats and turkeys somehow always look incredibly relaxed.
How many hearts do you see?
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe.
No, no, siempre mismo no. Siempre me dice lo mismo. No, ¿hasta cuándo? Última vez entonces.
Oh.
Oh, hello. Oh, my little loves. Goodness. Oh, I missed you today.
Oh no, this might be why older siblings tend to have insomnia.
Guess what day it is?
You know, I see her foot right there. She can't get it.
This elk entered the lake like he just unlocked summer vacation mode.
Come on then, let's go. Take your stick.
What are you doing?
Humans and animals might just be the most unexpected perfect couple ever. Thanks.
Good morning. Oh, you found your moo.
Oh.
Imagine being so good at something that nobody bothers to look at you.
Holy oh my god. Oh, my god.
my god.
Oh my god.
Very pretty, yeah. Are you a sweet boy?
Driver got chased by a bunch of dogs.
Not everything smelling good is all edible, mate.
Kiss. Can I have a kiss? Kiss.
I wanna kill my mom! I wanna kill my dad!
You can't catch what you can't grip, Human.
Professional supervisor is on duty, making sure everything is done to the cat's demanding specification.
Is it? Where the... Is it? I swear to God.
That reportedly took place in New York City.
Who knew police dogs could be easily defeated by a 200-gram ball of fluff?
The allegations and also encouraging those with
Oh my God, look at this, guys. Mr. Jingles and the snail. Can you...
Charles, you do not have to stand here.
has a unique meow.
Whale sharks can grow over 40 feet long, but they're known.
You're playing with the kitty tail. It is your bestie, Red.
What's this sparkly thing? What if I touch it? Wait, is this magic human?
Hi. Hi.
You do while Daddy was working?
What happened? What is that?
Is that the mattress?
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Spin.
Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Zelda, come.
Ooh. Is it worth it? Yes.
You know what that means? Microwave.
Some people said I need to be more gentle with pumpkin.
Hard time carrying that ball around.
You got your headband on? You big boy. And we got your tennis ball? Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Good boy. Oh, yeah.
Belong in there.
She's such a spoiled dog.
And apparently nothing was stopping her from reaching that bowl.
Ciao amore bene, come state bene?
What? They said this trick helps lose weight without exercise.